Hey, let's take a look at ADP command not found problem on macOS ZSL. Here are the commands we used in this video to fix this problem. Today we're gonna see a couple of methods to resolve the ADP command not found problem. Let's start with method 1. Possibly Android Platform-Tools is not installed. Check if it is installed or not. Go to google.com, search for SDK Android Platform-Tools and click on Android developer website to download the ADP Platform-Tools for your OS. In this case, we're gonna download for Mac OS. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and move that folder to desired location, preferably library Android folder on user home directory. Let's check ADP command is working or not. Yes, we need to run the command source bash underscore profile in order to ADP to works. Good. ADP command or ADP devices command working now and detect the attached physical Android devices. However, if we close the terminal window or if we open again, we should run the bash underscore profile command every time in order ADP command to works. Let's dive into method 2, the permanent solution to this problem by configuring path variables. Run sudo touch zshrc command followed by nano zshrc command. Make sure that Android underscore home entry was with the SDK Platform-Tools installed path was there. If it is not, add it as shown on the screen. Then add 3 new entries of path variable as shown on the screen now. Let's try with adp command. Yes, we should restore the terminal in order to reflect the changes take effects. Check adp path with running a command echo path. Let's run adp command and adp devices command. Alright, from here on we can run adp command anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video if it helps you.